I have a client whose father passed away, and he was a beneficiary of his father's trust. The trust was not done by us, but he came to us as a beneficiary because he felt like his rights weren't being upheld through the trust administration. And what ended up happening was my client's sister was the trustee of her father's trust, and there was a home that was involved, and the dad had passed away 4 years prior to my client coming to see us. And at this point, he was done. He was done with trying to get information, with the sister not moving forward, and he just needed help. So what ended up happening is the sister who was the trustee actually had her son move into the dad's house, and the son was living there throughout this whole period. So we had to file a petition with the court to get this trustee removed because they were not doing anything to actually administer the trust, right? To actually sell this house that was part of dad's estate and distribute it equally between the two children. So the way that this case ended up, it was very much in favor of our client because our client was able to actually get the back rent from the son that moved into this house and lived in dad's home for 4 years, right? Because that house should have been sold and it should have been distributed to her years before. So if you are a beneficiary and in a case like this, or you have some situation where the trustee maybe isn't being fair, right? They're not doing the things that they need to do. They're not communicating with you. Then please reach out to an estate planning attorney. These are things that we help clients with all the time to make sure that their rights are being fairly treated to them and they are getting what they deserve through their inheritance.